Good morning, everyone, or see you, sir. So, to begin our with mock interview, I am David Alyoso, your assistant. I am assistant principal in the school. To begin with that, kindly introduce yourself first.
So, good morning. I'm Mr. Community Sir. So, I am Ronald Future Junior. So, I am a graduate of Business International Studies at National University, and I am also a fresh taker of the SSC examination for teacher.
Okay, I think you're a licensed teacher. So, what motivated you to pursue or to go or to apply in this position as this vacant position?
So, what pursued me to apply here at the Xavier University is because I wanted to be part of this organization. Also, I can also see myself that I will grow here, and I think the environment here is very good, and I'm happy.
Well, I think you're a happy person. Okay. What are your strengths?
So, for me, my strength is that I can do multitasking. I can focus on different tasks at the same time. Also, I do things seriously, and I only focus on the things that I should do, and I left everything as long as I am focused on the job.
Okay. So here's a last question. If you have a student that have tantrums in your class, how can you handle that?
So I think as a teacher, it is very important to understand children. What is experiencing, what is has, or what does he or she need. So when we have a tantrum, of course we don't shout or we don't harass them. So what we should do is just gently talk to them, come to class and comfort them so that they will be they will cooperate with the class.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I just contact you if you are hired. Okay. Thank you so much once again. Goodbye.